Welcome to this tutorial on how to withdraw money from a TD Bank ATM. Withdrawing cash from an ATM is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. First, locate a TD Bank ATM near you. You can use the TD Bank website or mobile app to find an ATM. Once you have found an ATM, insert your debit or ATM card into the card reader. Make sure to insert the card with the magnetic stripe facing down and the chip facing up. Next, enter your 4-digit PIN number using the keypad. Be sure to cover the keypad with your hand to prevent anyone from seeing your PIN. If you enter your PIN incorrectly, you will have 2 more attempts to get it right. After 3 incorrect attempts, your card will be locked for security purposes. After entering your PIN, you will be presented with a menu of options. Select the Withdraw Cash option and choose the account you want to withdraw from. You can choose from your checking or savings account, depending on which account is linked to your debit card. Then, enter the amount of cash you want to withdraw. Make sure to check your account balance before withdrawing to ensure you have sufficient funds. You can also select a predefined amount, such as $20 or $50, to make the process faster. Once you have entered the amount, review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. If everything looks good, select the Confirm option to complete the transaction. The ATM will then dispense the cash and print a receipt. It is a good idea to take your receipt and verify that the transaction was completed correctly. You should also check your account balance to ensure the withdrawal was successful. Some best practices to keep in mind when using a TD Bank ATM include covering the keypad when entering your PIN, keeping your card and PIN in a safe place, and regularly checking your account balance to prevent overdrafts. By following these simple steps and best practices, you can easily and securely withdraw money from a TD Bank ATM. Remember to always be cautious when using an ATM and to report any suspicious activity to TD Bank immediately.